Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of sleeping bag from the North Face. I've got it today, but I've got it a few days ago online and it was on sale, and it came in such bag which I remove, which is bigger bag, fabric bag, and it says the North Face Gold Kazoo, because this sleeping bag I bought is called Gold Kazoo. Rating is 35 Fahrenheit, 2 Celsius, and it has fill 700 Pro, zipper wide, fit size regular. So you can put that sleeping bag in this thing, and then it was also in this plastic container, plastic bag, and then it's like this. So I show you. In comparison, I have here my Walmart $20 sleeping bag, which is I think longer. Has 2 side zipper, and let's see, this one kind of kept me warm now inside, and this one looks lightweight, has like 2 color structure. This one like more thin, and you can see that fill through it a bit. Here this part is more thicker material, like gold one, and more thicker things. But then here, this part has little zipper here on the side, and you can put, I don't know what's that. This is some thingy for your hand or what? And here is the bag, and you can put that sleeping bag inside. Looks like this, I guess. I don't understand fully how you're supposed to close it, but on top it's North Face, and it's rating. So here is the hood. It seems flat, but it has some, see, those things that close, make it tighter around your head. Then here it says Gold Kazoo. So zipper in this one only runs to this part. Is it two-way zipper? Actually seems that way. So let's see, here is also this zipper that you can open it. Here it has loops that you attach with some straps to the pad, sleeping bag or something. No, not sleeping bag, sleeping pad. And then here it opens. Oh, here on the back it says the North Face. And here it has some nice loop and this thing that you can pull, hopefully. Let's see. I need 2 hands. Yeah. Oh, inside looks like this. So this seems very lightweight. Like this part seems like it's only material. So I think this I think it might need some time to be like puffed up or something. Although this part seems more puffy than this lower part. And it says here called Kazoo. And it's 700 Pro. Comfort in 45 Fahrenheit. Limit 37, extreme 11 Fahrenheit. So in this temperature you would feel cold, in this one so but comfortable in this 45. So when you unzip again on this side, it has this loop thingy. I don't know for what it is, to be honest. Seems nice. Just the zipper is not all the way to the end, it's just short zipper. And in my Walmart one, here, the zipper is almost to the end. Like here, which is good, because in this one you will have to be careful when getting out of it. The material is really, here is a lot of it has to be more puffy. Wow, this lower part, this one is not as puffy, especially here in this panels here. Maybe it's more puffed up. And here it says it has few like many, there's many of those tags, but they don't sale. So it says about Kazoo, £1. So it says these things. Shock cords on back of bag to keep sleeping pad in place. Side zipper will lower the bag weight. Lay flat hood reduces weight. Double recycled nylon fabric. Okay. And what does it says on these things? It says weight here. Second-hand material consisting of recycled down. it's sanitized, washed, and then again put in the product. Wash, boil. Well, why I put so many of those certificates? That's strange. I will have to see how I can sleep and I get warm in it, and I will finish or record another video review how it's warm. But I plan on sleeping in it just in room, not outside for now. Maybe in future when I go on some camping trip, but for now I just want to see if it will be warmer than this one, and if it's allow me to sleep comfortably or not. If it won't be super cold, I could return it still. Yeah, this part is very thin, like maybe some of them down has to be more down, because here's almost nothing. You can see it like here, and it's not much at all. Imagine sleeping in cold weather. I have to test it first in my room, and it's not warm. But this is just unboxing video, and when I will test it, maybe I will record some video of review of it. But for now, it's just unboxing. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Keep thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Bye. Pas de soleil,